In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the color of a background of a Tableau dashboard. Whether you're aiming to enhance your dashboard's visual appeal or to make specific elements stand out, changing the background color is a simple yet effective method. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To get started, first, you'll need to launch the Tableau app. Once it's up and running, you should access your worksheet. This is where your data visualizations are created and managed. You can locate it easily from the home screen, and it's your gateway to kickstarting any creative process in Tableau. Having your worksheet ready is essential as it provides the groundwork to any changes you're planning to make on your dashboard. Next, navigate to your dashboard. This is the space where your worksheet visualizations converge and where you'll be making your background color changes. On the dashboard, you have a lot of control over the layout and design, making it an ideal place to begin with color alterations. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Layout pane. It's typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Layout will open up numerous options related to the arrangement and appearance of your dashboard components. This section is crucial as it dictates how your dashboard elements are positioned and styled. Within the Layout options, you'll need to locate the section labeled Background. Here you can click on the color icon, which opens up a color palette. This palette allows you to select a new color for your dashboard background. Take your time to browse through the colors and feel free to experiment to see what complements your data visualization best. Remember, the right color can greatly impact readability and aesthetics, driving home the visual story you're telling with your data. Moreover, within the background settings, you'll also have the option to modify the border. This can be particularly useful if you want to add an extra layer of definition to your dashboard area. Changing the border can help in highlighting specific sections or simply giving the overall structure a cleaner, more defined look. Now, it's time to apply these changes. Simply click on the handle and adjust the settings at the exact spot on the dashboard where you wish to change the background color. This handle will allow you to pinpoint the elements you want to adjust, ensuring that your changes are precise and tailored to your design intentions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily alter the background color of your Tableau dashboard, offering a tidy, professional, and distinct appearance that resonates with your data's narrative. Happy designing!